The life of the early humans. The evolution. Paleolithic age. 2.5 million years ago up to 8000 BCE. In this period, you'll be seeing how people lived and survived in their kind of environment. You'll also be seeing how great and creative they are to think of ways how they can endure their kind of life there. Stone tools in this period are very rough and pointed. This shows a community making fire. Fire is the greatest discovery during this period. Fire is used and very beneficial in many ways. Fire is used for cooking, providing heat to counter the cold environment, giving light when it's dark, and serves as a protection for wild animals. During Paleolithic period, people always hunt for food. People eat raw foods as their meal for the day. They kill animals like deer, birds, boar, and more. People in this period don't have permanent homes. That is why they always move from one place to another, and that makes them a nomad. As you can see in this picture, they are hunting for food by means of killing it. They use long, pointed sticks at the end of it. People in this period only lives for 20 to 25 years. Next, the Mesolithic period, or the Middle Age. In this period, you will see the development of humans in their living and also the changes in the environment, as well as the growing of the population. In this era, agriculture is the greatest discovery. People then learned to plant some crops and vegetations that they can eat. People in this era also develop their homes that is made of some sticks and trunks of the tree. People also develop a little bit of their clothing here. The population grow and grow because of the sufficient supply of food and the adequate kind of life. Now, let's move on to the last age, the Neolithic age. It started 8000 BCE and lasted 3000 BCE. In this period, you'll be seeing the changes, really big changes in evolution from a Paleolithic man to a Neolithic one. We will also be seeing how the tools upgrade their livelihoods and how they discover and invent things that will help them in their daily lives. These are stone tools. These stone tools were smooth and round. Compared to the Paleolithic age, these stone tools were improved and implemented by humans. Next is the pot. The pot was also discovered and made by humans. Pot was used for storing foods, water, and etc. These pots were created to secure things that are very important to keep. People in this era continue to gather and harvest crops. Women usually do this thing. The supply of food is very sufficient to all because of that. The temperature of the earth became the key for a suitable planting. Fishing is one of the skills that people learned and mastered to do in this period. Men usually do this thing. In fishing, there will be no shortening of food. People in this period also used animals such as carabao, to help them in the farm. Men were assigned to do many jobs. Women's stand got lowered. Men had more important things to do, like hunting, farming, cooking, and other. Wheel is the greatest discovery in this era. Wheel helps the people to move from one place to another without experiencing fatigue because of how far the place is. Wheels were also used by people for faster transportation. This end of the story, the evolution of the early humans.